Hey, I'm doing this. This is another side of me you guys don't know. I try to do in the wintertime, try to do some artwork. And I'm going to try to do a giveaway starting the weekend of Thanksgiving. And it'll run all the way. Oh, let's have it run for 2 weeks. So that way we'll have enough time before Christmas to where I could ship it out and get to you. If it gets done sooner, we'll just post it up maybe the beginning of the week of Thanksgiving. How's that? Take me about 4 weeks to do this, maybe less. I don't know. Depends how many nights I put to it. Anyway, this is a giveaway to thank everyone that's been a subscriber, made comments. It's going to be very easy to win. So I'm going to take photographs and put them in a timeline and show you how I do this. Well, basically what it's going to be, I'll turn around and show you. Found some clip art or a rough drawing of Popeye the Sailorman. I think it was for a t-shirt design, a Popeye Sailorman and a motorcycle. I'm going to try it. I've resketched it, and this is on kind of like a masonite type board. It's already pre-primed that I buy. Normally I build them, but I bought it pre-primed. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I resketched it. So I'm going to try to add some more details or some more bang for the buck colors and try to make this pop. I don't know if I can or not. It's been so long, but if it comes out nice, it'll be a giveaway. All right, so this is the first process. Sunday afternoon. What it is, October or whatever. Second week of October, almost second week of October. Anyway, I think it's the 9th. I've resketched it all onto this laminate. And from there, I'm going to take it from there. I'll show you each, you'll see a photograph of each day's process going. I'd usually use acrylics and inks. I've never used this product before. It's pre-primed. It's pretty slick. And I paint with thin stuff. So, we'll see what happens.